Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another quick video about List Infinity. And today, what we're going to do is go over how to get started with List Infinity and how you can actually start building a full-time income with this opportunity. I've been doing a free masterclass for all of those who are looking to learn more about List Infinity or actually have a training on the skill sets that you need in order to be able to run the system. I have a playlist that's going on. This is going to be the last day for that training that I have been doing for free on my YouTube channel. And if you would like to basically take a look at the other videos that I have done for this opportunity, all you need to do is go to my YouTube channel. And when you come to the YouTube channel, you'll notice that there's a playlist of videos that start at day one of me talking about basically what the system is all about, what's going to happen when you get started, what to expect, how much you can make. And not only that, I do also share with you some of the proof of the money that I received from this opportunity. And again, the playlist is going to be mainly about List Infinity. Okay. It's not going to be about any other opportunity but List Infinity. So here is the playlist for List Infinity. It's earned $10,000 per month while building your email list. And I'm going to be pretty much promoting this opportunity for the remainder of the year because it has really taken on. And not only that, it's very beginner friendly for those who are looking for something that's easy to start and something that has step-by-step instructions. So here we have day one, how to make money as online as a beginner. And it starts with build your email list. And again, it goes straight down all the way up until day 12, which again is going to be the final day. And then what I do is I do share with everyone just some of the money that I've made with this opportunity and how you can earn unlimited $25 payouts, $100 payouts, and $50 payouts with this opportunity. This is a low ticket opportunity. So the highest level that you can come in at is $100. And again, that is a one-time payment. So if looking here at my Stripe account, today I didn't have any sales come in, and that's going to happen where you're going to have really good days and then days where you're not going to bring in much. But the days where you do bring in money, it really makes up for the days where you have nothing coming in. And I tell people that all the time when you're building your business, you want to just really think of it as building a foundation through your email list, not really focusing on the money that's coming in from the opportunity, but growing the list so that it makes you revenue on an ongoing basis. And this becomes an autopilot system. So as you can see, I had a $14,000 payout yesterday. This went directly into my Bank of America account, excuse me. And a large portion of this, the money that came in to my Stripe account came from List Infinity because I have been promoting this full time, consistently pumping out videos, and not only that, running traffic through social media for free to this opportunity using my Facebook account. Okay. And right now I have $1,107.29 that's available to pay out. And this is what I have accumulated since I've made my deposit yesterday. So that just speaks volume about affiliate marketing and how it can be extremely profitable when you are using it consistently. So what I do is not only share with you the information about the product, but how to use it. And not only that, how to start running traffic to your opportunity so that you can grow your email list. But not only that, you can start getting paid out consistently day in and day out. I share this information with you just to let you know that this is a real system that really accumulates revenue, and it can be a full-time income if that's what you're looking for. I've been doing it since 2015 and started actually earning a full-time income with affiliate marketing in the year of 2016, consistently up to date because I decided to really dive in to affiliate marketing and start utilizing the things that I learned full time. And this is really just a rinse and repeat system. So it's not something that you have to learn one skill set today, learn something new tomorrow, and keep learning new stuff. I pretty much do the same thing over and over and over again. That helps me to generate leads consistently and to generate a full-time income from the people who not only view my videos, but may also come across my link through social media. Okay. That's Facebook, TikTok, etc. So when you come to List Infinity, the link is in the description below, excuse me. You're going to come to a page where you can actually sign up for an account. Now, everyone signs up for a free account. That's how you actually start utilizing the system. You do not need to upgrade right away. You can come in and pretty much take a look and get a deep dive into how the system works before you actually make a payment. And then once you sign up, just by hitting this button here, it's going to take you to setting up your free account. So you're going to put in your name, your email, a username, and a password. I highly recommend that you save this information because you're going to need to have this information to log into your account every day. So it's going to always ask you for your username and password to log in. You do not need to be at your laptop to log in. A lot of times I'm logging in directly from my smartphone, and I also work from my smartphone. Most of the time, the only time I'm utilizing my laptop is when I'm doing these videos and I need to share my screen and make sure that I get information where you guys can see it. But most of the time, I am going in through my smartphone. So when you sign up for your free account, you want to make sure that my name is down here at the bottom where it says referred by Amanda Ray. Okay. If it doesn't say my name here, you just want to make sure that when you come in to the account, like when you click on a video, right? So like if you click on this video, you come down here to the description right here. When you click on this link, this is going to take you to my capture page. Okay. This is the capture page that one of the capture pages that List Infinity provides for you. Then you're going to put in your email address, send me the free video. And then from the free video, it's going to take you to, let me just do another one here. It's going to take you to the sales page. Okay. So once you put in your email address, it takes you to the sales page here where there's a quick video about this opportunity, and it gives you information about what you're going to receive when you decide to join as a free member. So here you get paid $100 instantly. You have to upgrade in order to get paid, but you can still sign up for a free account and go through the system without being a paid member. Once you make the decision to actually start driving traffic, collecting leads, you're going to want to upgrade to either the $25 level, the $50 level, or the $100 level. You're going to be able to build an email list. You're going to generate leads that's going to go directly to your email list. You're going to get your capture pages and a sales page when you sign up. This comes with the system. They have the email campaign with the follow-up series that's done for you. Step-by-step training that's going to allow you to generate traffic, free and paid advertisement. Step-by-step training from Facebook, okay, and also the solo ad providers. You're going to be able to build multiple streams of income with this opportunity, and they give you banners, Facebook cover photos, engagement posts, and leads. And I actually go over this in the playlist. So if you go to day one and you go through the playlist, you're going to see where I go over some of the engagement posts and how you can generate free leads using Facebook. Now from here, you're going to create your free account. When you click here, as you can see, my name came up here at the bottom. And the reason why is because you came in through my capture page, okay? Because you came in through my capture page, it's going to have my information here. You're going to create your free account. And then from your free account, you're going to be able to log in every time with your login details. That's going to get you to your back office, okay? So all you have to do is put in here your email address, and then you're going to put in your password, okay? And if you're going to be using your laptop, you can show your password. You can save it to your account so that you can get in here whenever you want. It's going to always have your sponsor's name here, It's going to always say what level you're at. And then you also have the opportunity to upgrade if you're not at the highest level. Again, the highest level is the pro level, and that's a $100 one-time fee. Okay. Now you're going to complete step one, which is complete your setup system. Here in the playlist, I do go over what you need in order to set this up. And then I also go over the stuff that you really don't need to get started right away. This setup process should take you approximately in 1 hour or less to set up your system. Then you're going to run down here to your lead capture pages, where you're going to pick the capture page that you want to drive traffic to. Now, the capture page is basically grabbing someone's email address so that you can send them out emails on a consistent basis about the opportunity. They have different lead capture pages that you can use to collect emails. You can go through these and use the one that you want. You do not need to create these capture pages. These links here are directed to you. These are for you. They're already in the system. So all you have to do is take this link and send it to a domain name, or you can use this link as is to drive your traffic. Okay. As you have people coming through your system, under your referrals is where you're going to see the people that sign up for different accounts, whether it's a free account, a $25 level account, a $50 level, or $100 level. You're going to be able to see that information right here under referrals. Okay. Here is where you get your promotional tools. And this is stuff that you can use to go ahead and drive traffic. So they give you 60 posts that get massive engagement, 30 posts that generate leads, 100 Facebook groups that allows you to post your ads. Okay, and then they also give you these photos that you can use as your cover photo on your Facebook. I recommend going to Fiverr. In one of my videos, I do go over where to get a nice banner created for you. Here is the one that I use. I had this created on Fiverr for 12 bucks. I highly recommend doing that instead of using one of these. Or you can actually use one of these and have them put your face on it through Fiverr. Okay. So these are what the cover photos look like. And then again, they have the different posts that's going to allow you to generate leads to your link. Okay. So that's under your promotional tools. They have your sponsor recommended resources. So you also get the opportunity to promote other programs that you may be promoting. So if there's other opportunities that you're involved in that you would like people to know about, you can put it here under the sponsor recommended tab. And every time someone comes to this page, when they log into their List Infinity account, they will always get the information for the sponsor recommended opportunities that you think that they should take a look at. Okay. Down here is your trainings, and you're going to have a ton of trainings that you can go through. I always advise people to use one or two of the trainings that they have provided here for you to start running your traffic. And again, whether it's free or paid, they have everything that you would need in order to start generating traffic. Before you start doing this, I highly recommend going through the 10K blueprint. And the reason why this is important is because you need to know what to do in order to get to that 10K level every single day. What is your blueprint? What does that look like on a daily basis in order for you to start generating revenue consistently? And this is going to help you to understand how to get there and the things that you need to do, realistic expectations on how much time it's going to take. So this is very important. And then they have success mindset. If you are working a full-time job and you just want to get into the mindset of a leader, of entrepreneurship, of being able to work from home, this is also a really good training that you can go through. And this is just an addition to the different traffic strategies that they have available for you. Okay. Here under statistics, you can come here. It'll basically tell you how much revenue you have collected. The reason why this only says 395, 11 sales is because the top levels are not actually coming through this statistics piece, because I am connected to Kartra. Kartra is a third-party membership site that I decided to use. You can get one if you want. There is a monthly charge for it, but I use it because it is connected to my Stripe that allows me to get paid consistently through the system. So it doesn't show you every single sale that I have here, but I can always go under my referrals and it will bring up all of the people that are currently members, because I am collecting the leads, the emails, which is the most important part. But here again, this is where the revenue is collected, where I can see who came in through my Katra account, which is connected to my Stripe. And again, Katra is just a membership site that I use in order to receive payments. For this system, you can use PayPal, you can use Stripe. They are going to be adding some other third-party payment processors to the system so that you can collect payments. Soon it'll be using credit or debit. The owner said he is working on that so that there are other payment processors that you can use to collect payments. You can use Zelle, Cash App, however you want, in order to collect the payments. Now, once they pay you directly and you collect the payment from the person that's signing up, there is a one-time $25 admin fee. That's for you to get access to your membership site and all of that good stuff. So in order to get access to all of the extras and to have your website pretty much set up for you, you're going to pay a one-time $25 admin fee. That's going to go directly to the company, and then you are all set to go. For the autoresponder, you can start off with a free autoresponder through Aweber. This is the place that holds all of your emails and sends out your email swipes on your behalf. You do not need to pay for that. When you first start, you can open up a free account. As you get more leads, you may need to upgrade at some point, but that's nothing to worry about right in the beginning. So step one is basically completing your system setup. Step two is you're going to build your email list. Step three, you're going to get paid instantly. The starter level, again, it's $25 person to person. There's no middleman to collect your payments. And then you have the advanced level, which is going to give you $50 payments for each person that joined. And then you have the pro level, which is going to give you $100 for each person that joined. You can always upgrade by paying the difference if you want. And that's basically how the system works. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys to kind of give you an idea of what you're looking at when you get started, what to focus on, and not only that, to share with you the information for the playlist, which has the free training, which is a free masterclass on how to build your email list and get your payments to $10,000 per month while building that email list. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this information has educated you on the way List Infinity has worked for me and how it can work for you. If you want more information, in the description below is the link to get started. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.